Good morning, student. Class 12. Today, I am going to start the topic continuity. You must know the logic of continuity. Continuity means there is a function which is continuously moving. There is a function. This function is said to be continuous at the 2 point at x equal to a, 2x equal to b, because there is no break. This function is continuously moving, so we can say this is a continuous function in the interval a to b. Now, there are the logics of continuity two ways. First is continuity of the function at the point. So topic is continuity of the function at the point. Student, let there is a function y equal to fx. Student, let there is a point x equal to a. Is a point here. If at this point left hand limit equal to right hand limit and value of the function, then it is said to be continuous function. So, student, we will find two things. First of all, we will find there is a case 1. Here, if the function is a smooth, then we will find the limiting value of the function. Limit x tends to a of fx. It is called limiting value of the function. Limiting value of the function. Then we will find value of the function. F a is called value of function. Student C. Student, the first case is the condition when fx, here x is not equal to a, and it is then x equal to a, it is k. Then we find the limiting value of the function and value of the function. If limit x tends to a, fx is equal to fa, or it is k. If limiting value of the function equal to value of function, then we can say that function is continuous. Function is continuous. Now we will see one of the example related to this. Student, let there is a function fx is, suppose it is x square plus 1 and there is 5. Here is the case when x equal to 2, here x is not equal to 2. Now let us find the limiting value of the function at x equal to 2. Limit at x equal to 2. It is limit x tends to 2. Function is x square plus 1. Then it is 2 square plus 1. It is 4 plus 1 is 5. So limiting value is 5. And value of the function is also 5. F. This is the case when x is not equal to 2. When x equal to 2, it is 5. then f2 is also 5. Since limiting value at x equal to 2 equal to value of function f2, both are 5. Therefore, function is continuous at x equal to 5. We can say this function is continuous at x equal to 5. So, here there is a condition when x is not equal to 2, function is given x square plus 1. When x equal to 2, function is 5. Here left hand function at x equal to 2 equal to right hand function at x equal to 2. So we will find only the limiting value, not left hand limit and right hand limit. Student, now this is the second case. Here function fx is defined as, it is f1x when x is less than 8. It is some constant when x equal to 8, and it is f2x when x is greater than 8. So in this case, we will find the left hand limit, right hand limit and value of the function. For the continuity, left hand limit at x equal to a equal to right hand limit at x equal to a and value of the function, which is fa, or it is given a. When all three conditions are equal, then function is continuous at x equal to a. So there is a condition. It is continuity at a point when left hand function and right hand function are different and value of function is also different. So we will find all the limits, left hand limit, right hand limit and value of function. If they all are equal, then function is said to be continuous. Student, now see the function. This is the case 2. Here fx equal to 2x plus 1, let it is 3 and it is 3x. This is the case when x is less than 1. It is x equal to 1 and it is x is greater than 1. Now let us find left hand limit at x equal to 1. Limit x tends to 1 minus h. H tends to 0. H is very very small. We will introduce h when we will find the left hand limit of the function. Here function is 2x plus 1 because when x is less than 1. 1 minus h means less than 1. Then function is 2x plus 1. So limit x tends to 1 minus h tends to 0. Function is 2x plus 1. Now we will put the value of x and h tends to 0. 2 into 1 minus h plus 1, it is 2 into 1 minus 0 plus 1, it is 2 plus 1 or it is 3. It is the left hand limit. Now we will find right hand limit is limit x tends to 1 plus h tends to 0. The function is 3x, so it is 3 into 1 plus h tends to 0, so it is 3 into 1 plus 0 is 3. Now value of the function is also 1. Value of the function is f1 is given here, 3 is given. Since left hand limit equal to right hand limit equal to value of the function f1, they all are 3. All the values, left hand limit is 3, right hand limit is 3, and value of the function is also 3. Therefore, function is continuous at x equal to 1. So we can say this function is continuous at x equal to 1.